Hi, here's here. I'm going to teach you how to do a GarageBand tuner. Here we go. And onto the spring tool. And now we'll do the music. This is how you make a tune on your GarageBand.